Auto shop owners, want full bays without gambling on ads or retainers? I'll run a customer revival campaign for free. Short, done-for-you campaign, margin safe and hands-off. Some shop owners try to copy this system, flooding inboxes, deliverability, and fail. You control pricing, daily results, bump in booked jobs. No retainers. We only win when you win. Agreed percentage of newly generated profits. Proprietary. Built for independent shops. No coupon wars, no spam blasts. Go to clients4mechanics.com. Click schedule free strategy call. Pick a time. Free setup. No monthly fees. Pay only from new profits. If there are no sales, you pay nothing. What would you wish for? An empty workshop? Or a full one?